I'm doing a review for Veneers. I will say I love these things. They have changed my life. As you can tell, I have them on right now. I can do anything I want. I can eat. I can smile. I can live my life without embarrassment of missing teeth. I mean, they will bring your confidence back 120%. And that's how easy they are to go on and come off. I mean, give it a try. You won't go wrong. You'll be so happy you did. And this company is amazing. Um, I can't say anything else about them. That I'm just so happy that a company like this has came out with to help people like me that can't afford to go out and just get implants. I couldn't afford it. I mean, $32,000 for implants. There's no way. So, y'all have a great day, and I hope you try these things. Thank you.